welcome to our video. Today's video is going to be about speakeasies in Las Vegas. Before we get into the video, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and feel free to comment down below. So if you aren't familiar with what a speakeasy is, let's go over that. Speakeasies started during Prohibition as illegal bars you had to know how to get in. In today's terms they aren't illegal, but they maintain the tradition by making them hard to find and possibly having some rules to get in, like a password. This will not be an all-inclusive list, but will definitely give you an idea where to look for some of Las Vegas's best speakeasies. So let's get started. One of the newest hotels on the Strip Resorts world has a speakeasy, of course. It is called here Kitty Kitty Vice Den. For a speakeasy, this place is very popular, so you may have to try a few times to get in. It has a Singapore theme and is darkly lit. While this video isn't going to give away exact locations in the hotels, why spoil the fun? Go out and find those secrets. We may have thrown in a little hint in the background video along the way. Next, let's turn to the Cosmo. The first speakeasy at the Cosmo is called Ghost Donkey. This speakeasy has a Mexican theme and serves almost exclusively Mexican food and drinks, so definitely doesn't offer a wide variety of beer choices. But if you like nachos, who doesn't, and tequila, this may be the spot for you. The Ghost Donkey is located on Cosmos Boulevard Tower's second floor. If you choose to search for this bar, our suggestion is to think Pink Donkey when trying to locate the Ghost Donkey. Have fun and good luck if you do find this hidden gem. Another speakeasy at the Cosmo is called the Barbershop. This place is high class and full of style, which is ironic as you may want to think like a person who has to clean the place to find it. There are drinks that can go up to $10,000 per drink, but don't worry if that is not in your budget, we are sure you will find something to your liking. Next we move to Mandalay Bay, where the spirit of the 1920s is alive, even in the name of the bar. The 1923 Prohibition Bar is a bourbon bar. When you are there, you will be transported back to the 1920s, where you can enjoy a piano show or even a burlesque show. Oh, and of course you can also enjoy the bourbon. They do take reservations, and being it can be busy, this may be a good idea. The bar is hidden away near the shops at Mandalay Bay. If you are near -5, you are very close. Okay, so go out, have a good time, maybe even have a bourbon or two for us while you are out. Next we will turn our attention to the downtown area, particularly Fremont Street. First stop downtown will be the Laundry Room, located at the Commonwealth, which is a somewhat secluded place as is, yet there is a secret door that leads to the laundry room. The drinks have fun names, and it is adorned with gold-trimmed metalwork around. Maybe if it is warm and you are in the mood, ask for a back-in Kokomo drink, you will be glad you did. Just off of Fremont Street, located at the Mob Museum, you will find the Underground. You will be transported to a world of Prohibition-era artifacts and great drinks. Easy way to get in here is simply buy tickets and go to the Mob Museum. Yet if you don't want to do that, you can find the door on Stewart Street and knock. Oh, and don't forget to check their website for the password. Moving to Area 15, itself already a unique experience, but if you go to the north end of the Omega Mart grocery store, you may find yourself in a hidden bar called Datamosh. They serve 8 specialty cocktails, so prepare to indulge in something a little bit different while you are enjoying this hideaway inside the far-out world of Omega Mart. The last place we are going to discuss is not only a speakeasy but an Italian restaurant. This is off the Strip on West Sahara Avenue. We are talking about Capos Italian Restaurant and Speakeasy, a Chicago mob-themed restaurant with a dark ambience providing high-quality Italian food and of course plenty of drinks. You will need to find the door and speak the password to gain entry into the last speakeasy on our list for this video. We are getting hungry just thinking about it, aren't you? So this concludes our video on Las Vegas speakeasies. Hopefully this leads you on an adventurous night full of fun. Please feel free to add your experiences in the comments below and also to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you back for the next video. Thank you.